my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, today's video, I'm reading from my notes, so please excuse me, but I want to make sure I get all the information right. Today is an open collaboration that's being hosted by my beautiful YouTube sister, Ieasha, of Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha. And it's for February, which is Heart Health Month. But before we get into the video, I would like to welcome you if you are new here. And on this channel, I do DIYs, I do room tours, I do tablescapes, I cook a little bit, and also I do hauls, okay? So, and much, much more. So, if that's something that you like, please stick around and subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget to hit the notification bell twice so you won't miss any of my new uploads. Okay, so if you're already a part of the Diva family, welcome. Good to see you here. Okay, so now the co-hosts for the collaboration are Debby Bubbles, Glam Queen of DIY, Lovemybabiesforever, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, SisterCousinsLifestyle, and myself, Diva Decorating. So if you are not a family member of these channels, please go over and check these channels out. I will leave their links in my description box below. Also, the playlist will be listed below as well. Make sure you check out the host, co-host, and all participants on the playlist. Okay, so now we could decorate our tablescapes to someone that we know with heart disease or has lost to heart disease, but it wasn't required. So I decided to dedicate my tablescape to everyone who is battling or dealing with heart disease, and to all family members who is also going through this with them, or who has lost someone to heart disease. Now, Friday is Go Red for Women's Day, organized by the American Heart Association each year to spread awareness that 1 in 3 women are dying from cardiovascular disease. Okay, despite the devastating impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, cardiovascular disease remains the leading killer of women in the U.S., according to the American Heart Association's newly released 2021 heart disease and stroke statistics. Now, guys, I am getting that information off of Google. So if you want to read up on heart disease and, you know, have awareness of what you can do to prevent it, please look it up, research it, and go from there, okay? So, guys, all the rules will be down in my description box, but one of the rules was, since it's Go Red for Women, was to recreate our tablescapes in red. We could use another color if we wanted to. So I'm going to show you what I can. Okay, guys, so my table is set for 4. I will go over briefly everything that I have on here. First, I am using my red sequence tablecloth, and I don't know if you've seen that in my Valentine's video, but I'm using it again in this tablescape. And then I have my gold chargers, which was gifted to me by my good friend Ieasha. And I have my red Dollar Tree plates here. And I have a napkin. I have 2 of them put together. I put my 2 colors together, my red and my gold. And I am using a DIY glittered napkin ring. So that's what I'm using for that place setting. And I have my gold silverware. All the place settings are the same. Now guys, right here I have my wine glass that I have from Dollar Tree. I've had it for quite some time, and it has hearts on it. And I decided to use this in my tablescape because it doesn't have the words Valentine's Day on it, and I wanted to depict a heart theme for taking care of your heart. So just because it has the hearts on it, that's why I decided that it would go good in this tablescape. And like I said, it doesn't have the words Valentine's Day on it. So I thought that was good to use for that. And over here I have my Dollar Tree crystal glass. I just love these glasses. And I decided to also print out the Go Red for Women so I could display it on the table, and it is in a gold frame that I already had. And that's just to remind us what is the meaning of the tablescape. Now guys, I have a gold glittered runner running down the center of the table, and it came from Five Below. Guys, do not sleep on Five Below, okay? I did not know they had home decor items like this at all. My daughter turned me on to Five Below. She said, Mom, I've been telling you they have things that you would like. Now, I got it online because I could not find it in the store. And they have 3 different colors. They have it in I believe like a pinkish rose gold color. And then they have it in the silver. And the only one they had was the gold one. They had ran out online of the other 2, but I'm going to look out for them, and I'm going to purchase this when they come back. So yeah, that is beautiful. And over here, I just have some decor. It's just an orb over here. That's a glittered orb. It's a DIY. All the place settings are the same, as I said. And my centerpiece here, I'm using my tea light holders. They are like a crackled glass in gold. And I purchased these from, I believe, Family Dollar a couple years ago. It's a set of 3. And I decided to just add some roses in it. And of course I have to have my lights, guys. I'm obsessed with lights. I have lights all over my house. Some type of lighting, whether it be battery or plug in. These I have had for a number of years. So I am using those. And before I forget, my sequence pillows over there. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Probably did. And over here, food was not required. But guys, I just wanted to bring some awareness to some of the healthy foods that you should have in your diet. I have spinach going around. I have an avocado. I have an orange. I have blueberries. And I have tomatoes. All of these are heart healthy foods. But guys, before you start any diet program or exercise program, make sure that you consult your physician first. I am not a professional, so I'm just giving you something that I got up from research. So please consult your doctor first because it may not be good for your diet. And guys, I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you this candles that I just purchased. They are on battery. I told you I am obsessed with lights. And this is how they come on. And these flowers here, these faux flowers, they are for a bigger vase, but I decided until I get the vase that I'm looking for, I decided to put them on this flowers candle stand that I already have. And you can set them to come on for 4 hours or for 8 hours. You can flicker them or you can have them going steady. And they did not cost a lot at all. I got them online at Amazon. Okay, guys, so I want to thank our host and all the co-hosts. Thank you, Ieasha, for inviting me to participate in this wonderful awareness cause. Thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Go over and watch that playlist, guys. You're going to see a lot of great tablescapes. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.